Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pH meters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Apera Instruments AI 209 Value Series pH 20 Waterproof pH Tester Kit. This Apera Instruments pH meter can last up to 2,000 hours when equipped with 4 batteries, so you'll never have to worry about running out of power. It is easy to calibrate and comes with a special brush for cleaning the probe so that you can keep it in top condition. In addition, calibration solutions are also included, and the calibration function makes the process a breeze. However, if you're not careful and gentle with the probe while taking measurements, you may get air bubbles trapped in the glass sensor that can disrupt future readings. This probe also needs a little more time in the water to get a good reading. It takes close to a minute, which is significantly longer than other digital pH probes. If you don't mind the extra cost and slightly lower durability, the Bluelab combo meter is a speedier alternative. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bluelab combo meter. The Bluelab combo meter measures pH, conductivity, and temperature at the same time, with accurate readings for all 3. The dual probe setup also makes this a more accurate pH meter when compared to other meters. In addition, the display for this meter is much larger when compared to the pH pens on this list, so you'll be able to easily see the display showing all the numbers. It also offers warnings if the pH is out of range and if the battery runs low, which is something that other meters don't offer. When it's time for calibration, you'll get a signal as well from the meter. At number 3, we have the Tetra EasyStrips 6-in-1 Aquarium Tester. These pH testing strips come in a box of 25, perfect if you don't plan on testing water pH every day. They check levels of chlorine, alkalinity, hardness, nitrite, and nitrate, in addition to giving you the pH levels of the water, all of which can impact the health of your fish. This company also sells strips for testing ammonia levels in your tank. Keep the pH range in mind before purchasing the strips, since they don't cover a wide pH range. These won't be able to help fish that need to be in more acidic or basic water. In addition, they will expire after a certain amount of time, so you want to make sure you use it up before the date printed on the cover. As always, since this is a manual pH meter, it won't be as accurate either. The color chart for this meter is on the back of the bottle that holds the strips, so you will have to remember to peel it off in order to compare hues. At number 2, we have the Apera Instruments AI 316 Premium Series. This pH kit comes with enough buffer solutions and containers to give you everything you need for the first calibration. With an extensive instructional guide on the front of the kit, you'll be able to get started even if you've never used a pH meter before. The built-in calibration function recognizes 5 different pH buffer solutions as well, which is more than the other meters in this list. The meter itself can test for pH, conductivity, TDS, total dissolved solids, salinity, and temperature all at once. It is an expensive option, but one that gives you much more consistency and accuracy. The range of pH that this meter covers is far larger than other choices, though you likely won't need the extremes when using it for your aquarium tank. If you want one that's just as accurate but not as expensive, check out the Apera AI 209 series, but you won't get as many added accessories with that meter. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hayi Digital pH meter for aquarium water. This pH meter comes with an automatic calibration function that can be changed depending on the water temperature and quality. In addition, when it arrives, you'll receive 3 specialized pH buffer powders at 4.01, 6.86, and 9.18 picohenries levels, so you won't have to worry about making your own solution. The meter also comes pre-calibrated, so you can use it as soon as you receive it, though you'll want to recalibrate it weekly. A carrying case is also included for safe storage of the pH meter. However, while the store page says that it has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.01, this can vary after extended use, growing more inaccurate over time. They're also not as durable as some of the other meter options available, so you'll have to be gentle when you're working with this meter. This meter is also not waterproof, unlike the Bluelab pH pen, so you'll have to be careful when you're using it for your aquarium. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.